Looks like Mama came home to roost. Back for day 2 on the Gypsy Star to get that Evinrude 55 off the back. Step 1 is a little PB blaster on all the fittings that need to come apart. And while that's working, we're going to pull some stuff out of the boat so we have more working room. Got some old 2x2s in here, pressure treated. Got some old aluminum siding. Got a garden growing in here. Personal satisfaction. Seat cushions for the bow rider. Easy in. Everyone should have one. Battery box. No battery. We finished cleaning out the interior of the boat. I was surprised to find there's actually an under the floor gas tank. And now we can get up under the back of the boat and get to the engine mounting bolts. In the next episode, we'll be pulling the motor. Check for another update in 1 to 2 weeks.